I am rich now. I am rich now. I am rich now. I am rich now. Really, I am rich now. So, if this is also happening with you, that you are saying your affirmation, yes, I am rich now, and suddenly your mind is saying that, look at your bank account. Is there is really money? No money. How can you say I am rich now? So, let's dive into this topic that how can we overcome this problem. So, I am your life coach, Rahim. I am a certified handwriting professional graphologist and analysis. If you want your personalized subliminals or meditation, or if you are facing any kind of challenges in your life or you want to analyze your handwriting, so you can contact me. The number and email ID is given in the description and also in the first comment. WhatsApp and Telegram group channels, also links available over there. You can connect me over there also. And first of all, I'm very really grateful for those who have subscribed the channel, those who are watching this videos, liking and commenting on it and sharing with their friends and family members. I'm really grateful for those people who has contacted me and they have started their life in new transformation way. I'm really grateful for all of them. So let's continue our topic. So whatever the situation we have, and we are using affirmation as a positive affirmation, as we know that we have to use our positive affirmation and we are using that positive affirmation, but sometimes it's completely contradict with our 3D reality. Whatever 3D reality we have, if I'm saying I am rich now but my bank account don't have money, so I feel that there is contradiction with the 3D reality, and whatever I'm saying, it's not matching. So we feel sometimes, no, this is not working. Sometimes those who don't have girlfriends or boyfriend, the partners, so they also saying that, yeah, I have my partner, but they feel that, oh, where is partner? There is no partner. So that time they also feel low, that their affirmation is not matching. So let's talk about today that how can we overcome this situation. Taking the first example of money. Your affirmation is, I am rich now. But your mind is saying there is no money. So think, what is the present current reality? Your wallet is empty, your bank account is empty. It means you have lots of space to keep the money. So now you can say that I have lots of space for attracting more money. This time, this is your reality also. You accept this reality and this is your present situation. And these sentences are also true, and it is showing not the lack, it is allowing more money. So you can use this affirmation, or I love to earn more money. I am earning more money. I am attracting more money. This also you can say, because this is process you are saying. If you are ready for marriage and you are don't getting any kind of partner to be married, so you can say that I am open to be married. I am open to attract love. If suppose in your one of the body part there is a pain and you are using affirmation for it, that body part is healed now. So sometimes you feel contradict. So say grateful, that thankful for other body parts. Suppose you have a migraine issue and you want to say that my migraine is gone. So this is wrong affirmation because migraine word is coming. So you are saying that my head is perfect, my brain is perfect. So sometimes you feel pain over here, so you are not able to use that affirmation also. So at that time use other body parts, that yeah, my hands are healthy, my skin is healthy, my eyes are healthy. So when you see these kinds of reality, you also feel that suddenly attached that my body is healed now. So hope this information helps you and you get some clarity that how to use your affirmation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will always pray for your happy, healthy and prosperous life. Thank you.